MTL is the leader of the medical diagnostic imaging industry in the Russian Federation. MTL experts oversee the complete progression from the development and production of X-ray diagnostics equipment through the organization of training together with medical professionals. MTL develops and manufactures digital X-ray detectors for mammography and radiography. Based on their own X-ray detectors, MTL manufactures over 35 types of high-resolution digital systems, from stationary systems to mobile devices. In the scientific laboratories of the company, unique technologies are created. Digital X-ray detectors are developed and tested, starting from the photosensitive matrix array and completed with microcircuit electronics. The software developed by the company incorporates the latest visualization algorithms and artificial intelligence systems to provide high-quality diagnostics. Testing is performed on organic equivalent phantoms to verify the capabilities of developed systems. Techniques such as automatic stitching of images, dual energy, and tomosynthesis allow medical professionals to discover pathologies that are normally difficult to diagnose. MTL software developers, in collaboration with doctors, have created workstations with specialized software packages. Mobile devices facilitate examinations at the patient's bedside or temporary field hospitals. The production of equipment is performed in accordance with international quality standards, which ensures trouble-free operation of the systems after installation. MTL production facilities are equipped with modern, high-tech precision equipment. The first local Russian production of CT systems was launched in 2010 at MTL's manufacturing facility. All MTL equipment is unified by the Integris MT Radiological Information System platform, ensuring the efficiency of work and reliable storage of diagnostic information. 1 out of 3 medical facilities in Russia is equipped with MTL devices. The company is constantly expanding its production to supply medical diagnostic imaging departments with high-precision systems and provide innovative technologies for advancements in medicine. MTL, innovative technology in the service of people.